Hi you guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. In today's video, there was a storm in California, so it's gonna be what I do on a stormy day with my parrots. This is Keanu on the left, Kona on the right. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. So it's raining in California and I'm gonna take my dogs in the car to maybe we can try to walk. It's raining, but they love car rides. So yeah, trying not to. Gotta be careful on the road. There's a lot of like wood on the floor because of the rain. It's like raining pretty hard. It was raining pretty hard last night, but honestly I love the rain. Like I live for the rain, but I got sick. So you guys, I'm a classical pianist and I also teach piano, but I also volunteer and play piano at the hospital lobby. And I was practicing that this week. And sorry if I hit a wrong note. It's so hard to play when there's a macaw on your arm practicing piano. But he's so cute though. He always, my birds sometimes come to me when I'm playing piano. So they're very distracting on my practice.でキアヌとコナがピアノにいてさ、すごいできない何も。Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you like birds, and please thumbs up this video. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.